In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove the coming soon page in WordPress when you're using Bluehost, so visitors can finally see your actual website. Let's start from the very beginning so nothing is confusing. When you first set up a WordPress site on Bluehost, it often shows a default coming soon page to anyone who visits your domain. This is meant to give you some time to build your site in the background, but once you're ready to go live, you'll want to turn that off so people see your real homepage instead of that placeholder screen. First, you'll need to log into your Bluehost account and open the main dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll see your primary control area where Bluehost lists your websites and hosting options. From here, look for the tab or section labeled Websites. This is where Bluehost groups all the sites connected to your account. Click on Websites and you should see the site where you want to remove the coming soon page. Find that site and then click Manage. This will open the management area specifically for that website, where you can adjust settings, access tools, and control how it behaves. Inside the Manage area, look for the Advanced option. This might be shown as an Advanced tab or a button depending on your interface, but either way, you're heading into the more detailed settings for your site. Go ahead and click Advanced. Don't worry, you're not going to change anything complicated here. You're just going to locate a simple toggle. Once you're on the Advanced page, scroll down slowly until you see a section labeled Coming Soon Page. This section is dedicated to controlling whether that placeholder page is turned on or off for your WordPress site. If the Coming Soon page is currently active, you'll see that the switch is set to on. To remove the Coming Soon page, simply toggle that switch to off. This action tells Bluehost to stop showing the placeholder and to start serving your actual WordPress site to visitors. There's usually no need to save anything manually after flipping the switch. It should apply automatically. However, give it a few seconds to update in the background. Once you've turned it off, open a new browser tab and type in your website's domain to double check. If your browser is still showing the old Coming Soon page, try refreshing the page or clear your browser cache or use an incognito or private browsing window. Sometimes your browser saves an older version of the site, and a quick refresh or cache clear makes the new live version appear. That's all you need to do. By going to the Bluehost dashboard, selecting your website, heading into the advanced settings, and switching off the Coming Soon page, you've made your WordPress site visible to the public. Now, anyone who visits your domain will see the real content you've been working on instead of the default placeholder.